Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram DM not working, or Instagram DM option not showing, or Instagram chat not opening or not working issue. So let's go through the methods. What you need to do is, first you should check if any update is available for Instagram. So for that, you need to go to Google Play Store. Now in the search bar, search for Instagram over here. Type Instagram and search for Instagram app. Now after it opens, here you can see an update option is available. Simply update your Instagram to the latest version. So you have to wait for some time unless it gets updated, and then check if the chat option is working or not. If not, next is to force stop Instagram. For that, click and hold the icon over here. Now click on app info. Then here you can see force stop option. Simply click on it and then click on force stop option. So this will force stop the app. Now check if the problem is fixed. If not, you should also clear the cache of that particular app. So for that, go to the storage users, and here you need to click on clear cache option. Now after clearing the cache, check if the chat or DM option is showing or not. If not, you should also restart your device once. Now after doing all these settings, you should restart your phone. So for that, press the power button for some time and then click on restart. So after restarting your phone, now check if the problem is fixed. If not, then you should contact or take help from the support team. For that, go to Instagram. Now click on your profile icon, then click on three line, then go below, and here you can see help option. Click on report a problem, then click on report problem, and after that click here, and here you have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across. Simply write briefly about the error and then click on send option. After clicking on send, you have to wait for some time, and then check if the support team helps you to resolve the problem, and you can access the Instagram DM easily as before. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.